Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Philippine Eagles Cup. This coming August 21 to 23.
Going in. Apple can see. Oy.
We're inviting teams
Oy.
for the upcoming
Flat,
Philippine
red.
Eagles Football Cup. This coming August 21, 22, and 23. So, coaches meeting is on July 18. For inquiries, just contact Cebu Regional Football Association page. Salamat.
So pina-curve akong itudlo ni mo kare. Rico ba? Pina-curve ba?
Diyan sa videohan.
Tawa ayo.
Oy. Take your time. Limit ha. Go. Scan post lang. Inside ra. Hawa. Diba?
Ah.
Kita ka lang mo patil na to. Special training.
Wala na.
Gulo ko. Shoot me, shoot!
We're inviting all teams for the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Philippine Eagles Football Club. Football Cup is coming August 21, 22, and 23. Coaches meeting is on July 18.
Oy!
For inquiries,
Koy!
visit the Regional Cebu
Wala may
Regional
pressure.
Football Association page. Thank you.
Draco, relax dong. Kaya kayo nyo duhaan ko eh. Duhain dong. Sige na. Other side ko, tanaw.
Mana na ninyo ay magkakaroon taglitsyon. Gutom na ko.
Asang ba assistant mo wali?
Naman. Ibang raw ko. Header!
Control, fake out sa. Fake out sa kuy. Relax yan, relax. Magulang si Ipsi. Shoot! Tanawa, bika side side. Wow, magulang si Ipsi.
Wah.
Ano ba na si Banzet man nila? No?
Layo kayo.
Nico! Sige pa!
It wouldn't have been goal if Dak just caught it.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah. Well.
Okay, first game, Mix 13, pitch number 1. Parem Springfield Titans versus Pintel Asia, Team B.
They got 8 minutes left.
Coach Warlo. Coach Boom.
Koy, gawain ninyo, Koy. Kaya ka na doon. Rico, gawain ninyo. Kaya ka na. Good. Go, go, go. Cut back, middle. Dong. Ay, take shot. Wala kay kikayang. Kahit tulog ka tabi kami doon.
Ala, patay.
Ah, hindi sila gawin siya. Tulog ka mo kontra sa bus.
Mm.
Hindi sila nagbawi. Tulog ka mo pinsa.
Play up siguro ng babae. Play up. Play down.
Hindi sila sakto na ibadya.
Sakto na edad.
Boy, Rico. Score ka. Go. Score mo. Shoot siyan. Ay, one pass.
Yun.
Shan, pass to Rico. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Rico, yes. Please, please, please. Shan, please, please. You don't have to, Rico. Shan, please. Pass. Chas, angat, Chasi, pasas kau banday. Lepas ini, Rico. One v one, Chan. Go, 1v1. Quick, 1v1. Go, go inside. Go. Come on, go, go.
Bong, Gishan!
Third.
Okay, pitch number 1. Mixed 13 Group A. Parham Springdale Titans versus Bintel Asia Team B. Parham Springdale Titans versus Bintel Asia Team B. Pitch number 2, Group B, Mixed 13. Giuseppe FC versus Candoman United. Giuseppe FC versus Candoman United. Pitch number 3, Group C. Cebu United Team B
Rico!
versus San
Ito
Carlos
naman.
Col Cebu. Cebu United Team B versus San Carlos Col Cebu. Pitch number 4, Group D. Bato Spartans versus Don Bosco Team A.
Ha?
Bato Spartans versus Don Bosco Team A.
They will get into the penalty. Franco! Bob! Uy,
Go, Jesse!
Gi!
Jesse!
Gi!
Rico, balik ko nga, boy! Good!
Ayos! Ilas ko.
Control siya, then dribble on forward. Go, go, go! Forward! Don't dribble, don't! Spacing ko.
Tarasan! 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 Last one! Last one shot! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Last one shot! Patay! Patay! Last one!
Ito na keeper ay si Juan. Keeper na sa sa'yo.
Balikan, balikan. Go, stop, go!
Okay. Ha?
Again, pitch number 1, Pares Sprinkle Titans versus Bintel Asia Team B. Pares Sprinkle Titans versus Bintel Asia Team B.
Mas maganda pang champion ito third.
Uy! Sasi! Sasi! Patol! Patol!
Penalty.
Ivan, go ka, Ivan!
Shot! Shot! Sa... Ay,
Pitch number 2, Group B. Giuseppe FC versus Canduman United. Pitch number 2, Group B. Giuseppe FC versus Canduman United.
Paglaser ba dito sa kuha?
Pitch number 3, Cebu United Team B versus San Carlos Col Cebu. Cebu United Team B versus San Carlos Col Cebu. Pitch number 4, Bato Spartans versus Don Bosco Team A. Bato Spartans versus Don Bosco Team A.
Let's go, Evan! Lock in, bro! I'll give you the energy, Evan! Evan, come here! I'll give you the energy!
Wala na sila, championship. Rico, kato ano? kami dah.
Ay, bro! Tony Cruz!
Rico, kaksa ba? May para, kuhan, naisa kong reels. Boss,
Let's
Ah?
now do the awarding
nindot yung
for
passing, oy.
the U9 category. U9,
Mau dyan na basta dagang tag-anak pa. Pagsimos ako dito niya.
Gapon mo katawang ko sa ikaw. Naap sila gapon.
Tulog gahapon niya, karon doon ako.
Pitch 2, Giuseppe FC versus Canduman United. Pwede na mag-second ref. Pitch 3, Cebu United B versus San Carlos Col Cebu. Cebu United B, San Carlos Cor Cebu, pitch 3.
Nana sa tadre.
Pitch 4, Batos Spartans, Burgosco Team A. Batos Spartans, Burgosco Team A. Referee pitch 4, kaya na masugod.
Subong pa ako. First pa, no?
Oh, first. First.
Pero di siya
U9 are still waiting for the results. From the Giuseppe versus Suko Gato.
Wa pa ka oy, wa pa oy. Wa pa later na.
Heroes, standby, and Cebu Football
Wadi
Club,
ko na
Team
ito,
A, standby.
Lantan ko. Pila ka day 7 ko.
Kapre dito.
Keeper. Isang ngalan niya.
Draco.
Let's go, Draco. Let's go, Draco.
Ate niyo manis nila.
Next year pa.
Si Canada eh.
Oh, yan yan.
Angelo. That's my keeper. Go up everybody on the keeper. Goal! Paldo.
Aldo.
Paldo.
Ha? Oh.
Oy, bayad. Oy, go. Adto sa bag. Oh, sige, sige. 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 Bye. That's right, man. Player ko diri
Mana. Game na, di ba?
Southland Tourism Travel Incorporated, Kitsune Development Corporation, Jack Harris, Landomal, Milano Transportation, Cloud Brain Incorporated, Zebu Kitchen Cabinets, Case, Gracious Care, 3W Outdoor Advertising, Roy Ramirez,
Sabi na, Nate. Handshake na, handshake. Oh, tulod eh. Daw naman.
Dog.